Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As we are discussing grammar part of 10th lesson at home again. This lesson is the deleted one, so I'm explaining you the grammar part. So no need to write in the textbook, just for the explanation. For your understanding, I am explaining this grammar part. Okay children? Now, see the page number 130. B bit. Join the words in A with the correct words in B using and, or, but. Then write the complete sentences in your notebook. In the homework book, you have to write the sentences formation. I'll say you after this bit. So let us see the first one. We can eat lunch at home or go out. or you have to join. Okay. Now second, please don't forget to buy some milk and sugar. So you have to write here sentence formation. Second one, please don't forget to buy some milk and sugar. Okay. Next, third one, will you be able to do it yourself or should I help you? Next sentence. Fourth, we went to visit Prakash but he wasn't at home. But you have to join. Next, fifth, pack your bags and polish your shoes before you go to bed. And you have joined. Now in the sentence formation you have to write till 5. First one already he has done. Okay children, in the homework book you have to write. Now let us see the next bit. Read these sentences. Priya found a kitten. The kitten was white. So these two sentences are called statements. What is statement? Statement gives us information about something. Okay. Now for example, Sheetal is a dancer. She lives in Kolkata. New Delhi is the capital of India. So these are the statements. They are giving information about something. Okay. Now, read these sentences. Unpack your bags and clean your room. These two sentences are called instructions. What do you mean by instructions? We use instructions to tell someone to do something. Suppose if I say you, children, please open the notebook. So you will open the notebook. I am instructing you to open. So in that way, so go back to your classroom. This is the instruction. I am telling you, please go back to your classroom. Clean your table. Drink some water. These are the instructions. Now, note, when you want to give some instructions politely, you can say please. Please wash your hands. Please comb your hair. Please keep quiet. These are the instructions. Okay children? Now, based on this, you have one exercise. C bit. Say whether these sentences are statements S or instructions I. First one, go to bed early. Nothing but instructions I. Second, I bought some color pencils today. Statement or instructions? Statement S. Very good. Third, Rohit and I are playing in the park. This one is also statement. Just they are giving information about something. Now, fourth, shut the door. Nothing but instruction I. Fifth, take some cake for your sister. Nothing but instruction I. Now children, here is a grammar fun activity you can play at home with your parents or siblings. So your teacher will play the game Simon Says with you. If there is no class, so we should not play in the classroom. Okay, so you can play this at home. Now what is the game? Simon Says game. They will call out instructions or statements. If it is an instruction, you must act it out. If it is a statement, then ignore it. The student who doesn't follow the instructions or acts out a statement is out. Now, what you have to do? Simon Says game is that it is based on instruction or statement. Suppose if I say Simon says please keep quiet. So is it an instruction or a statement? Yes, instructions. So whenever the instruction comes, you have to act. What did I say? I said please keep quiet. You have to do the action of keep quiet. Okay. If it is a statement, then you have to act according to that statement. Suppose, for example, wash your clothes, if I say. So what does it mean? That is an instruction, right? So you have to act as washing your clothes. That was the game. Now if I say Sheetal found a basket. So you have to act as Sheetal finding a basket. That was a statement. Okay children? So well, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the statement and instruction part. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.